What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Michelle Martin, and today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. I went there for one thing and ended up coming out with, a couple bags. So, you know how that goes when you go to Dollar Tree, because everything in there is $1. Even though somebody told me that their prices are going to start going up, which I hope not. When I bought everything was still $1, so hopefully yours is too. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what I picked up while I was there. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. And let's see what I got in my bag. So I got 2 bags here. And the first bag, we got some scrubbies. So these are just, body scrubbies, but for $1. I always grab them there at the dollar store because they are a really nice size for $1 a piece. Most time when you go like Walmart, they're $3 or $4 there. So I'm like, no, I'll just get them at the Dollar Tree. And then I found these containers, and I thought I could use these for my eyeshadow, my small eyeshadow palettes. I mean, they can be used for anything. You could put, lipsticks, you could use it for crafts, whatever it is, you're into, you could use these for. But I just thought, yeah, I'll grab them. You get 2 of them for $1, so I was like, sure. And then I got these ones because I thought these would work so nicely for my makeup brushes, and you get 3 of them in here, so I was like, yeah, I'll take that too. They had them in different shades as well. This is the white, but they had like cream, pink, blue. They had a couple different shades in them. And then I got, this is kind of random, but yeah, I got this. This I actually got out of like the party section, to where like the party serving stuff is at. And I seen it, and I was like, oh, that would be so good for, like my beauty blenders. I could pop them in there and they could sit up there and they'd be sitting in a nice little container. But then I found a bunch of these velvet scrunchies. I found a bunch of these velvet scrunchies that I keep dropping. And I thought I could use this little container for all of them. Between me and my daughter, we always need a hair tie. So hopefully I'll be able to find them. Maybe. And then I got this. This is a makeup brush cleaner, but it's like a little spray. So I thought I would try it out and see. Let's try it out and see if it actually works though. So I'm going to spray it on the brush, and then I'm going to wipe it on a cloth. I mean, it is getting a lot of it out. Spray a little more. This will probably be nice for just like in between of actually cleaning your brushes, but this will be a nice like little spot cleaner. Okay, that's nice. And then this is what I originally went in there to get, okay? This is probably the best exfoliating washcloth I've ever used. So it's really scratchy on one side, but it's really smooth on the other. Just use your whatever body wash you like, and this stuff takes it really does take the dead skin off of your body. It's really nice. Like, I already have one, but I went back to get another one and ended up with all this stuff. But I didn't spend too much. I think I spent like $20 or $25. Then I found these 2. And this one doesn't look like it's going to be as scratchy as the washcloth, because the washcloth I can't use on my face because it's too much. But I thought this one would probably be nice, and it comes with a little strap to put your hand through it. And then I found a charcoal infused one. Now this one seems a little more, it's probably in between of the 2 of these. And then I found this little thing. You stick it in your sink and you scrub your brushes when you're cleaning them. And I was like, man, I will give that a try. I mean, it's tiny, but it'll work nice for your eyeshadow brushes. Then I found this pack of hair clips. And I'm always needing hair clips. Always and forever need hair clips or a hair tie. And then I got an eyelash curler. And I got it because this is the only eyelash curler that I have at the moment. Now this is a heated one. Like if you turn it on, this little strip's gonna turn like a white clear, and that's how you know it's heated up. It does work really nice, but it's hard to get your lashes in there. Like if you had short lashes, this thing would be really hard to use. But I do like it because it is heated though. But anyways, getting off the Dollar Tree subject there, that's why I bought this one, just to have a regular eyelash curler. And then I got this lipstick, and it's supposed to be an all-in-one lipstick, blush, and eyeshadow, and it's in pink satin. So it's from LA Colors. I thought I would try it. Then I got this silicone mask applicator. I usually just use a brush, but I was like, well, I'll try it anyway, see what it's like. Then I found an e.l.f. foundation. It's in this shade tan, and that is the only shade that they had there. But this is like $4 or $5, something like that, off of e.l.f. And I mean, for $1, I was like, I can always mix it with a different shade to lighten it up if I need to. And then I found this Flower Beauty. Now this is Drew Barrymore's line, so I was surprised to see it at the dollar store. But it's an under eye cover cream. It says that it's high coverage and fast setting. It's in the shade DB2, but I was like, I'll go ahead and, you know, give it a try. Why not? It's got like a little roller ball on it, so I guess you just like roll it underneath of your eyes. But in my next video, I'm going to be using this stuff that I picked up just to try it out and see. And I also got a LA Colors lipstick, or I'm sorry, a lip plumping gloss. And it's in the shade Call Me. I already have a couple of those, so they do work pretty good. And then I found this Flower Beauty. It's a Miracle Matte Metallic Liquid Lip. Okay. I don't know about the color. It's like a copper color, but I figured I would try it. It's $1. Flower Beauty is Drew Barrymore's line, so it says it's a Miracle Matte Metallic. So I'm wondering if it dries down to your lips and like doesn't come off, because most matte lipsticks dry down and, you know, they stay on your lips longer. But we'll try that and see too. Okay, you guys, so that's everything that I picked up from Dollar Tree. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!